Hello, everyone. It's Monday, May 18th, and welcome to our Pearson Clinical Assessment video newscast. My name is Tina Eichstedt, speech-language pathologist and senior product manager in Washington State.
Hi, I'm Nancy Castilleja. I'm also a speech-language pathologist and product manager, and I'm in San Antonio, Texas.
We have 4 news items to share with you today. First, more assets on Qglobal have been released. The close of last week brings free access to more digital assets in the resource library on Qglobal. This includes the WIMS-4 stimulus, WIMS-4 Flexible Approach Alternate Indexes worksheet, which is an appendix from the Flexible Approach manual that can be printed and downloaded, Bailey-4 Item Presentation Summary, and PLS-5 English, Spanish, and Screening Test stimulus materials. Guidance about how to use our assessments for a remote administration is also available on our Telepractice landing page, pearsonassessments.com/telepractice. On the Telepractice webpage, you can access a complete list of free digital stimulus books and manuals, find information on how to access Qglobal if you are a new user, and once in Qglobal, how to access the digital materials. Click on the Newsroom tab to view the video, Qglobal Deep Dive, Accessing Free Digital Assets. Our second news item is an encouragement to attend our Assessment via Telepractice Office Hours for OTs event. Join our OT colleague and yours, Shelley Hughes, for our first event for OTs, Assessment via Telepractice Office Hours for OTs, which will be on June 4th from 12 to 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Topics will include the practical questions we've been getting, as well as updated resources for various developmental, sensory, motor, and functional assessments. This online session will include Q&A, so please bring your questions. You can find the description online at pearsonassessments.com/telepractice and click on the webinar's link to register.
Our third headline is that we have new resources to support the use of Bailey-4 via Telepractice. There are 3 new resources to support the use of the Bailey-4, a Telepractice guidance document, an item presentation summary, and a recorded presentation guiding you through telepractice options. The first one is the Bailey-4 Telepractice Guidance Document. You'll find this document at pearsonassessments.com/telepractice. Search for the Bailey-4 and select guidance for using this test in your telepractice. The guidance document explains how to use the social, emotional, and adaptive behavior questionnaire while you interact with and observe the child to obtain qualitative information on cognitive, language, and motor skills to inform clinical opinion. The second resource is the Item Presentation Summary, a document you'll find in the Bailey-4 section of the Qglobal Resource Library. This document lists all the items in the cognitive, language, and motor scales and indicates the items that can be scored using observation and caregiver questions in a telepractice mode. The third resource is a 15-minute recorded presentation that guides you through the telepractice options for Bailey-4. This will be available on the Bailey-4 product page on pearsonassessments.com. Our fourth and final headline is that the PLS-5 and PLS-5-Spanish telepractice guidance documents are now available online. Telepractice guidance documents for both the English and Spanish editions of PLS-5 are available on the website. A more comprehensive version of the guidance documents for these tests are in the works, so stay tuned for an announcement when they are ready. Guidance documents for PLS-5 screening and PLS-5 Spanish screening will be available later this week. Those are the headlines for today. Thanks for joining us.